On behalf of the organizing committee, it is my privilege to welcome you all to the 10th edition of the Global Hospitality Conclave. We have a full house, familiar faces, colleagues, and friends from across generations and geographies. There are a lot of people here who have come from out of town to be with us today. We have in this room people starting from the batch of 1966, and to put it in a perspective, that is 60 years, 66, 64? 64? Okay, 64. My apologies. And to put it in a perspective, that is 60 years ago. And we are represented by people across all the batches. We also have the Rai Bahadur Memorial Lecture for the first time. Thank you, Arjun, for using this platform to have it here. And I'll also take an opportunity to welcome the various teams from Oberoi Hotels across India and around the globe who are all watching in as this is being beamed live. Only the Rai Bahadur Memorial Lecture is being beamed live across all Oberoi Hotels. So Arjun, thank you for putting that together as well. This is a special year as we celebrate our 10th anniversary. Our journey began 12 years ago, and since then, GHC has grown both in size and in sentiment. Its enduring success is rooted in something incredibly special. The lasting bond we all share, forged in the hallways of OSHM, now OCLD, and across the many Oberoi hotels that we all worked in, and then built and excelled in our careers. GHC goes beyond being just an alumni meet. It is a vibrant forum for knowledge sharing, thought leadership, and cross-industry dialogue. This platform also helps to celebrate the many successes of the Oberoi alumni, a reflection of the distinction and caliber that have always defined our community. The Oberoi ethos is an unwavering commitment to excellence, a culture of precision and professionalism, and the legacy of an institution that remains best in class. Today marks a particularly meaningful milestone in the journey of GHC as we debut the Rai Bahadur MS Oberoi Memorial Lecture. Rai Bahadur was pivotal in shaping not just the course of the Indian hospitality industry, but also the personal and professional lives of many of us. His story, in many ways, is our story. He taught us to dare to dream. In addition, there's an exceptional lineup of panelists and Oberoi alumni who will lead and participate in discussions through the day on topics that promise to inform, engage, and inspire. Lastly, no GHC is complete without the space that we all love most, reconnecting with old friends, reliving fond memories, and sharing stories that never get old. So thank you for being here, for keeping this tradition alive, and for bringing your energy and enthusiasm to the GHC community. Payal Gandhi Hoon, who's on my right there, is our MC for the event. She's a TEDx speaker, performance artist, and a seasoned host. She will guide us through the day with her trademark warmth and flair. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to invite Arjun Oberoi to say a few words and introduce the Rai Bahadur MS Oberoi Memorial Lecture. Arjun.